Hi children, today we are learning number song. Listen, sing and repeat. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. Means poet tells that we have to grow many trees around us. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. Poet is telling that we have to grow the plants near the gate. When we are going or when we are coming back, we will see our plant and we will be happy because trees are our true friends. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Double of 10 means 2 times 10, means 10 plus 10, 20. Poet is telling that we have to grow at least 20 trees around us because trees are important in our life. Okay, one more time, sing along with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. 1, 2, 3 and 4, plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 5, 6, 7 and 8, plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Okay. Next question is write the number names from the song. Means we are learning 1 to 10 numbers and number names. So let's start. Number 1, O-N-E, 1. Number 2, T-W-O, 2. Number 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Number 6, S-I-X, 6. Number 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Number 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Number 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Number 10, T-E-N, 10. Next question is count and write. How many balls are there? Yes, there are 3 balls. Means we have to write T-H-R-E-E 3. B-A-L-L-S balls. 3 balls. Next is how many parrots are there? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parrots. We have to write there 5 parrots. Next is how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 ice creams. Okay, next. How many balloons are there? There are 8 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 balloons. Now what we are learning from this poem? Yes, we learn 1 to 10 numbers and number names. An important thing is that we should plant many trees around us because trees give us gum, vegetables, fruits, wood, shade, fresh air, means we get oxygen and many things. So let's stop here. Revise numbers and number names. Bye bye.